Two CFA charter holders, same qualification, same experience, but one earns 12 lakhs and the other 35 lakhs. And what's the difference? One does not know AI and the other does. Today I'll show you exactly how AI is changing CFA from exam preparation to salary. Let's go. So today we're discussing AI and its role in CFA. Whether you're studying for level 1 or already working as an analyst, this matters. We'll cover three things: how AI helps in CFA preparation, how it transforms your job, and the massive salary impact. Let's dive in. First, know this. The CFA Institute has made Python compulsory. So you have to choose financial modeling or Python. Coding is no longer optional. The Institute is telling us that AI and tech skills are now mandatory for finance professionals. Now, how does AI supercharge your CFA prep? Now, here's how AI transforms your study journey. First, instant concept clarification. So if you're stuck on, let's say, a particular concept like convexity, ask GPT. Explain to me like I'm a 10-year-old and then give me a real example. So get instant, simple explanation tailored to your understanding level. Next, an unlimited amount of practice questions. Now generate endless practice questions on any topic. So the prompt should be create 10 MCQs on portfolio management or give me 5 ethic item sets with a solution. And now you'll have an infinite question bank at your fingertips. But of course, little inaccuracies exist, so be careful. Formula understanding. Don't just memorize formulas, please understand them. Ask AI, explain the logic behind Sharpe ratio. Or what is the specific formula for bond duration? Understanding beats memorization every time, guys. Next, AI can help you with a personalized study plan. So you upload your syllabus and your exam date and tell AI your available hours and weak areas. Tell AI your available hours during the day and your weak areas, and you'll get a customized study schedule made specifically for you, not just a generic template. Next, 24/7 answer reviews. So if you're practicing ethics answers, paste them in GPT and ask, review this answer and tell me how to improve. So get instant detailed feedback anytime and anywhere. Also use AI guys to create flashcards, simplify your readings and get the real world examples that'll be useful for you because AI handles it all. But here's the key principle you must understand. AI gives you answers, however CFA teaches you what questions to ask. If you don't understand balance sheets or you don't understand how to ask about current ratio or debt to equity ratio, if you don't know portfolio management theory, you won't be able to ask the right questions about risk return trade-offs, for example, right? So AI is extremely powerful, but the CFA knowledge will determine how effectively you can use AI. Think of AI as a Ferrari, but if you don't know how to drive, the Ferrari becomes useless. So CFA education teaches you how to drive the Ferrari. Now, CFA with AI in job roles, real world applications which are changing everything. So let's talk about your career. How is it that AI can transform an actual CFA job? Well, part 1, think about it as an annual report analysis. The old way, right? You would read like a 300-400 page annual report for hours and hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, searching for specific information. But now with AI, you upload the entire PDF to GPT and ask directly, what's management's revenue guidance for next year? Or which new markets are they expanding into? Or what are the top 3 risks that they are highlighting? And the result, 5 to 10 hours of work becomes 20 minutes. Because this isn't future technology. Professionals are doing this right now. Next, take a conference call research as an example. Now, traditionally what would happen all in the olden days, you listen to like a 90-minute earnings call or like you read the entire transcript to find out relevant information. With AI, upload the earnings call transcript and ask targeted questions. What did the CFO say about free cash flow? Or what's management's outlook on operating margins? Or what concerns did analysts raise? And then you get precise answers immediately. So once again, an equity analyst covering 20 stocks can now analyze all their earning calls on the same day. This was previously literally impossible without having a team of people. Now think about this one, algorithmic trading, algo trading as we call it, where it gets extremely powerful. So first, you're a CFA. You understand finance deeply. That's extremely critical. But you also know exactly what trading strategy you want to implement. Although you're not a programmer, you don't know Python, you don't know C++. Now, you can simply describe your strategy to AI in plain English. Like for example, create a momentum trading algorithm that buys stocks when their 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average with a 5% stop loss and a 15% take profit. Write the Python code for this, and AI writes the complete code for you. You work with a developer for final implementation, and you just created an algorithmic trading system without being a programmer. Your finance expertise combined with AI's coding ability will create one of the most powerful combinations that we've seen in this field. Next thing about comprehensive equity research. So you upload multiple documents at once: annual reports, quarterly results, earnings call transcripts, industry reports, and you ask comprehensive types of questions like compare the EBITDA margins of these 5 companies over the last 3 years, or summarize management's strategic priorities from the last 6 quarters across all of these companies. So these kind of things are something that you can ask, and AI analyzes everything simultaneously, giving you comparative insights. And after this, you can ask, create a 10-slide investment thesis presentation based on this analysis. What traditionally would take 2 weeks of intensive work now can take 2 days. Next, industry and competitive analysis. Now, use AI for sophisticated analysis framework. So for example, ask for Porter's 5 forces analysis on any industry, or SWOT analysis on specific companies, or detailed peer comparisons across multiple metrics. AI processes massive amounts of information from all these sources, various sources, and gives you a well-structured analysis. And now your job is validate these insights with your CFA expertise, because that's not something that AI can do and make an informed decision. Next, the productivity multiplier effect. Here's the bottom line about AI in CFA jobs. Without AI, you can handle one major research project at a time. Deep work, but slightly slower progress. Now with AI, you can simultaneously handle 4 to 5 research projects. AI does all the heavy lifting which you could do but you don't need to do, such as data extraction and the initial basic analysis. And then you focus on the high value work, which has judgment required, strategies, and investment kind of decisions. Your productivity won't just improve, it will almost multiply 4 to 5x. And when you're 4 to 5x more productive, your value in the job market transforms dramatically. Which brings us to someone's, a student's favorite topic, the salary impact. Now the money question, and these are real market numbers. Like I was saying earlier, 2 people with a CFA charter, same experience, one knows AI, one doesn't. The one who doesn't is at 12 lakhs per annum, and the one who does is at 35 lakhs per annum. That's 3x more salary, and here's the business logic. A CFA professional who masters AI can do the work of 4 people. So employers don't need to pay out extra, right? They pay for measurable productivity. They don't pay for kindness. So how does this, and rather why does this premium exist? Because you're not just working faster, you're doing fundamentally different quality of work. Analyzing 25 companies comprehensively instead of just 10. That's 2.5 times better work. You turn 5 hours worth of analytical tasks into half an hour. That's almost 10x. You create sophisticated algorithms without being a professional coder. You deliver insights that were previously requiring an entire team. Bottom line, guys, if you consistently deliver 3, 4, 5x value to your employer, they will happily pay you 2-3x salary. It's a simple ROI game for the business, and they still save money, they get better results, you are better off, the talent density in the company increases. The critical skill in all of this is prompt engineering. Why is it that your CFA knowledge becomes the differentiator? Because here's the secret that connects everything. AI is only as good as the questions, the prompts that we ask it. So let me show you with a concrete sort of an example. A bad prompt is, hey, tell me about Reliance Industries. So AI gives you a generic bit of information that you can find from Wikipedia or their website or the company history, the surface level data basically. Now, how do you actually prompt? Analyze Reliance Industries' latest annual report, compare their EBITDA margin in the retail segment versus the telecom segment over the last 3 years. What does this trend indicate about their capital allocation strategy? Cross-reference this with management commentary from recent earnings calls. AI gives you deep, specific, actionable investment insights that would take analysts hours to compile manually. So who can write these kind of great prompts, these great questions? Someone with a CFA level 1 financial knowledge, someone who understands what EBITDA margins signify, why segment-wise analysis matters, and how capital allocation strategy reveals itself through financial trends. This is why AI will not really replace CFAs, but it will amplify what CFAs are, just because you have the ability to ask sophisticated, correct questions. You don't know which metrics matter, which trends are significant, or how different financial elements connect. AI does not know that, but you do. With CFA knowledge, you can unlock AI's potential, and you know exactly what to ask, how to structure complex queries, and how to validate AI's responses. Your CFA expertise multiplied by AI capabilities is equivalent to your career rocket fuel. And guys, if you'd like to have a one-on-one discussion with us, right from planning a career roadmap for you guys, maybe an academic roadmap, or you need help with mock preparations, or you need help with career insights, you want interview preparation skills, right? For all of these, it's great if you become a member by clicking the join button below. Please do that, and I think you will be able to enrich your life dramatically by giving you all the resources that we have for all of our channel's members. So, what can you do starting today? Here's an immediate action plan. If you are a CFA student, start using ChatGPT and of course any other AI platform for conceptual clarity right now. Now, not tomorrow, not even today, now. Generate practice questions specifically on your weak topics and begin learning Python basics. For example, half an hour daily is enough to start. And if you're a CFA professional, dedicate some hours, maybe 2 hours a week to experiment with AI tools. Upload a manual report for GPT and test with some real questions. Update your CV, your resume immediately, and add AI-assisted financial analysis as a skill. Start positioning yourself as a person who understands both finance and AI, but you have to be able to deliver. So do not fake it. Do not try it once and then upload your CV. The truth is simple and unavoidable. CFAs who use AI will replace CFAs who do not. In 3 to 5 years, AI proficiency will be the baseline expectations, exactly as Excel is today. The opportunity to get ahead for you guys is now, while AI skills still command a premium. CFA will give you the expertise and AI will give you the superpowers, and together you become an unstoppable force in the finance world. So choose to be unstoppable, guys. And if this video helped you in any way, specifically in AI's role in CFA, hit the like button, subscribe for more career insights, and drop your questions in the comments below. We read and respond to all of them. See you in the next one.